Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to activate Stripe on Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. And after successfully logging into your account, now we can get started with accessing all the sections right here at the left side screen that we have for editing our store, home, orders, products, and so on. So this is going to be our home page. So guys, in this home page, what you want to do is right here at the left side screen, go to the bottom of the page. You want to click the settings option. Click on settings, and after clicking on settings, it's going to open up this new settings menu where we can take a look at all the settings options that we have, such as general, plan, billing, and so on. And what we're going to do is right here at the left side screen, go ahead and open up the payments section. So after opening up the payment section, this is now going to open up this payments menu where we can go ahead and get started with selecting what payments we want to use for our Shopify store. And as you can see here, we're going to have an option that says choose a provider for a payment. So you're going to click choose a provider, and in this new menu that appears where you can choose the provider for your credit cards, you can go ahead and search for Stripe. So you can see after searching for Stripe, as you can see currently it's unavailable for me, but if you're in the country that supports it, you can just click on it and it's going to proceed and take you to this new page right here where you can get started with connecting your Stripe with your Shopify account by providing all your details and adding it as a payment method. But yeah guys, basically it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.